Hey everyone, and welcome. Today we're diving into a really interesting supplement called PrimeBiome. It's all about connecting two parts of our health you might not think about together, our skin and our gut. In this explainer, we're going to break down what it claims to do, peek inside the formula, and walk you through the offer they have going on. Let's get right into it. So the whole idea behind PrimeBiome really boils down to this one powerful question. Could the secret to youthful-looking skin actually be hiding in your gut? It's a fascinating thought, right? That our digestive health could directly impact how we look on the outside. And that's exactly the problem PrimeBiome says it can solve. Okay, so to really get what they're doing, we need to talk about a biological process called skin cell turnover. Basically, this is your body's natural way of hitting the refresh button on your skin, getting rid of old cells and making new ones. Now, according to the people behind PrimeBiome, how well this process works is directly tied to how healthy your gut is. And that leads us right into their main concept, the skin-gut breakthrough. This is where we're going to explore that connection they're talking about between your digestive system and how your skin looks and feels. So this is where PrimeBiome supposedly steps in. The whole point of the product is to support that skin cell turnover, but not with some cream you put on your skin. Nope. The idea is to work from the inside out by encouraging all those good, beneficial bacteria to thrive in your gut. All right, so what is this product exactly? Let's move on and take a look at the main benefits PrimeBiome says you can expect. They're really focusing on three main things here. First up is dermal balance, which is their way of saying healthier, more glowing skin. Second, there's digestive support to help get your gut working optimally. And third, they say it helps support maintaining a healthy weight. Of course, any supplement is only as good as what's inside it, right? So let's crack open the formula and see what's supposed to be powering PrimeBiome. So the formula is a special proprietary blend. It's got the probiotic B coagulants at its core, but then there's a whole list of natural extracts and botanicals like bapchi, dandelion, organic lion's mane, and slippery elm bark. The whole idea here is that all these ingredients are meant to work together to support your body's natural processes. And it's not just about what's in it. They also make a point to highlight that it's a natural, non-GMO formula. It's made to be super easy to take every day, and this is a big one, it has zero stimulants. So you don't have to worry about getting the jitters or that awful energy crash later. Okay, now let's talk about the deal they're offering, because as part of a promotion, they're throwing in several free bonuses. And this is a pretty big part of their deal. If you go for the largest package, they include 3 free digital bonuses, but you only get these with the 6-bottle supply. First up, you get an ebook called See You Never Cellulite. It's filled with natural tips for getting smoother skin. They say it's worth $55, but with that 6-bottle order, it's thrown in for free. The second bonus is another guide. This one's called Hello Dazzling Hair. It's all about growing thicker, healthier hair with homemade remedies. This one's valued at $54, and again, it's included for free. And rounding it out is the third bonus, White in a Flash. This one gives you tips for brightening your teeth and dealing with sensitivity. It's also valued at $54, and yep, you guessed it, it's another free gift with that biggest package. All right, let's look at the pricing. You've got a few choices here, but the company points out that the 6-bottle best value package is the one most people go for. It's $294, which gets you the lowest price per bottle, plus you get free shipping and all 3 of those digital bonuses we just talked about. And this is super important, especially if you're on the fence. Let's talk about their 60-day guarantee, which is designed to make trying it out totally risk-free. To show they're legit, they highlight that the product has gotten feedback from, wow, over 19,000 customers. That is a lot of people. And here's their promise, stated very clearly. Your order today is covered by our ironclad 60-day, 100% money-back guarantee. So what does that really mean for you in practical terms if you decide to give this a shot? Well, it's pretty simple. You get a full 60 days. That's 2 whole months to try PrimeBiome. If you're not impressed for any reason, you just contact their support team and you'll get every single cent back. So it's basically a risk-free trial. And as for how to use it, it couldn't be easier. The instructions are super straightforward. You just take 1 probiotic gummy once a day. That's it. Oh, and this is a big one for a lot of people. Your order is just a one-time purchase. There are no hidden fees, no recurring subscriptions, and no sneaky auto-ship programs to worry about. You buy it once, and that's the end of it. So there you have it. That's the complete rundown on PrimeBiome, its claims, the formula, and the offer. If you want to learn more, or if you're ready to claim that discounted price and get those bonuses, you can visit the official website by clicking the link right in the description below. Thanks for watching.